Welcome to this in-depth review of Faire, one of the most popular wholesale platforms for dropshipping. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Faire, from its interface and product selection to pricing, shipping options, and overall user experience. First, let's talk about what Faire is. Faire is a wholesale marketplace that connects small businesses with a wide variety of brands and products. It's especially popular among e-commerce entrepreneurs and dropshippers, as it provides a vast selection of items that can be easily integrated into your online store. Whether you're interested in home goods, fashion, beauty products, or other categories, Faire has a lot to offer. Now, let's dive into the user interface. Faire's platform is sleek and easy to navigate. When you first land on the site, you'll notice a clean, minimalistic design. The homepage showcases trending products, new arrivals, and top brands, giving you a great overview of what's available. It's easy to filter products by category, price, and even minimum order quantity, which makes finding what you need a breeze. In terms of product selection, Faire really stands out. They offer thousands of unique products from independent brands, many of which are not available on other wholesale platforms. This gives you the opportunity to offer your customers exclusive products they won't find elsewhere. The quality of the products is generally very high, and you can access detailed product descriptions, images, and even reviews from other retailers to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Let's talk about pricing and minimum order requirements. One of the key benefits of using Faire is its flexible terms. The platform offers net 60 payment terms, meaning you can pay for your order up to 60 days after you've made it. This is a huge advantage for dropshippers who are trying to manage cash flow. Faire also doesn't require you to meet a minimum order quantity, which is ideal if you're just starting out or if you prefer to test products before committing to larger quantities. When it comes to shipping, Faire offers competitive rates and a variety of shipping options. The platform provides estimated shipping costs upfront, so you can plan your budget accordingly. Shipping times are typically reasonable, but they can vary depending on the supplier's location. Faire also offers a returns program, which adds a layer of security for your business. A notable feature of Faire is its Faire Market for retailers, which gives you access to exclusive deals, discounts, and promotions. These can help you increase your margins and save money on your orders. Another key advantage is the platform's seamless integration with Shopify, which is crucial for dropshippers looking for automation. However, like any platform, Faire does have its drawbacks. The biggest downside is that while there is no minimum order requirement, you may find that some suppliers have higher pricing compared to other wholesale platforms. Also, the platform's success is very dependent on the suppliers, so it's important to vet your suppliers carefully to avoid issues like delayed shipments or low-quality products. In terms of overall experience, Faire is one of the most user-friendly and flexible wholesale platforms for dropshipping. It's a great choice for anyone looking to start or scale their e-commerce business with unique, high-quality products. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and in-depth tutorials. Thanks for watching.